Hi, in this video we will show you how to make your favicon. Essentially what a favicon is, short name of favorites. So when you're in your browser and there's lots of different tabs, you know where you're at. So first I'm gonna give you some icon tips, branding tips. The new name for favicon is icon SVG, which is better because it's scalable vector, which essentially means that it will not become pixelated. So what I essentially try to do is always find an icon that would sit nicely into a circle, because with all the social media icons being circle, it just makes life a little bit easier. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this website, this here, and then we're going to generate a new favicon. Here's a place I essentially use just to get SVGs for free. So our stack is Next.js, which is a flavor of React. So we choose Next.js. We grab the icon. So what I did is I just grabbed one of these and I just changed the color to match the website. So most important thing is choosing your stack. Drop it in. Now this is done all automatically for you, so that's really great. The most important thing is actually put it in your app folder and not anywhere else. The only thing you really need to do. So now I'm just gonna unzip favicon, and then they are. We open up our IDE and paste and say replace. And that's essentially it for making a favicon. So just as long as you unzip the file and you put it in the app directory, and then it's ready for production.